What are these? A table, two chairs. Where is this? This is a living room. This is a floor. This is a ceiling. This is a wall. This is a window. This is a wall. What is hanging on the wall? A painting is hanging on the wall. What is hanging from the ceiling? A lamp is hanging from the ceiling. Ceiling? What is between the chairs? A table is between the chairs. What is above the table? A lamp is above the table. What are on the table? There are 2 cups of hot coffee on the table. What's under the table? A cat is under the table.